If you manage IT or cybersecurity for a manufacturing organization, protecting your operations from cyber attacks is essential. In this video, we'll look at why manufacturers need multi-factor authentication and how it can help prevent costly disruptions to your business. According to the IBM Cost of a Data Breach 2023 report, manufacturing is now the most targeted industry for cyber attacks. Beyond data breaches, manufacturers are especially vulnerable to supply chain attacks and operational shutdowns. Despite these risks, many hesitate to add security controls they fear will slow productivity. Multi-factor authentication offers a simple, effective way to block unauthorized access while keeping your teams productive. MFA requires a second factor of identity verification, reducing the chance of account compromise. The key is selecting a solution that is trusted, adaptive, user-friendly, and flexible enough to meet your operational needs. A third-party MFA solution like LoginTC makes it easy to protect your systems without sacrificing efficiency. LoginTC provides a wide variety of flexible authentication options so you can secure every user, from office staff to frontline plant workers, without interrupting workflow. To learn more about how MFA can protect your manufacturing organization and maintain operational uptime, visit the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about securing your organization's digital infrastructure.